નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, we are moving ahead in the third type of conditional sentence. In this type of a conditional sentence, one thing is there. Main clause, main action may be in positive sense or in negative sense. Next, subordinate clause may be in positive or negative sense, but with this it is proved with the present situation that what happened earlier was not right, and due to that the result what we have received here in subordinate clause or in dependent action, that is against the expectations. So that only here it is written in the third conditional type of sentence that will explain unfulfilled or rejected condition. Due to this reason, we'll move ahead with 4 different examples through which we will come to know how it is. You see here, if I would have joined that meeting, you see here, given sense is positive sense. I would have opposed that issue, that sense is also positive. But the thing is what? I was absent. I was absent means what? I was absent means did not join. Did not join is equal to I was absent. And so that I would have opposed that issue, but I could not speak anything else for that issue. That is what rejected or unfulfilled desire. If I would have joined, I would have not faced. You all would have not faced that issue. Why is it so? Because I would have opposed that issue. Given sense is positive with the main clause, dependent clause is also with the positive sense, but yet it indicates unfulfilled or rejected condition with the reference of present situation. What's at present condition? I did not join that meeting, and so that I did not oppose it, and so that we are facing the same issue. This is the total target meaning of given sentence. We'll go ahead for the next. What's there? If Radha did not remain so careless, given sense is negative sense, did not remain so careless, you would have cleaned the car, but Radha remained careless, and so that you would have cleaned, but you did not clean. That is proved in the present scenario, in the present condition. If Radha remained so careful, no careless, careful, so you would have cleaned the car. But the scenario, situation is different, twisted. So that Radha remained careless. And what is the result of that sentence? You did not clean the car. Here, whether it is given positive or negative sense makes no difference. With the main action and with the dependent action, you will identify unfulfilled or rejected condition. Got the idea? Now we'll move for the next. You see here, if Radha did not inform you the fact, given sense is in negative sense. Meaning is what Radha did not inform you. This is the meaning. In past. And so that only here, unfulfilled, rejected. Both the words are given here as an adjective because that concerns with the past situation, condition, event. If Radha did not inform you fact, meaning is what? Radha didn't inform. Okay, what's the result now? Because condition will give you the consequences of that condition. Reason and result with that condition. You would have guided her a lot. But the thing is what? Radha did not inform. And you didn't guide. A reverse condition. If Radha informed you, you guided her. Here she didn't and you have not. Here not is not you would have guided her a lot. Even sense is in positive, but the meaning of that sense is negative. Meaning is negative. Why? Because you have not guided her. खबर ज नहोती कहीं खबर होय तो गाइड करे ने भाई खबर ज नहोती तो गाइड केवी रीते थाय Got the idea? Whether given sense is positive or negative, consequences, dependent action is positive or negative, makes no difference. But the total meaning of that conditional sentence would be with the unfulfilled or rejected condition. Got the idea? Now we'll go ahead for the next. If you would have learned four-wheel driving, little bit tough, requires perfect judgment. If suppose that you learnt it now, then you can go. But given sense is positive. If you would have learned four-wheel driving, positive sense is given, but the total target meaning of that sentence is with negation. If you would have learnt, that proves that at present also you don't know how to drive four-wheel. If you would have learned four-wheel driving, you would have been traveled with your family. That sentence, dependent action, is also in positive sense, but both the sentence remains with the negative approach, with the negative sense. Okay? Till today you don't know how to drive four-wheel. And so that what's the result with that? You would have been traveled with your family. आवड़े तो जाए नहीं आवड़े नहीं जाए की रीते hence it is proved that you would have not traveled with your family. Given sense is positive, but the total meaning of that sentence remains negative. In this way we have completed third conditional sentence with if that indicates unfulfilled, rejected conditions, whether the main clause is in positive or negative sense, whether dependent clause is in positive or negative sense, makes no difference anywhere else. The total target meaning, total meaning of both the clauses will be with a common phenomenon, common characteristic, and that would be unfulfilled or rejected condition. In this way, we have completed this Once again, if is equal to unless, unless is equal to if, but not alone if. With if you have to use not. Not means negation according to given tense. What we have written here, that is according to given tense. That thing you will keep in your mind, and according to that you will transform it in such a way. I'll give you little time to write down the same thing what is written over here, so that it can be helpful to you to revise the same topic in a right way. Just you go through with it, revise it, and if you face anywhere else any doubt regarding this, feel free to ask me any question for the same. Go ahead, write down it speedily and try to understand third conditional sentence with if. Thank you, thanks a lot. Thank you, thanks a lot for joining us.